Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video is the continuation of the bases and subbases in a topological space. Okay, so here in this video we are going to deal with some characterization of base for a topology. Okay, so first we have first theorem. Let x comma t be a T space, that is topological space, then a subfamily beta of T is base for T if and only if every T open set is expressible as the union of members of beta. So this theorem is very important as per your exams. Okay, so see here, this beta is subset is a base for T if and only if T open sets. So that means all the sets, all the members of T can be written in terms of, it can be written as a union of members of beta. So that means each members beta. Okay, so that means all the members of T are expressed as members, union of members of beta. Okay, so here we have to prove this one. Proof. Let beta be a base for T and let G be an arbitrary open set in T. Okay, then by definition of a base for a topology, we have, by the definition we have, for each open set, for each x belongs to open sets G, there exists a set B in beta, okay, in the base such that x belongs to B is a subset of G. So this is by the definition of topology. Okay, here we have written. Now clearly we can say that this G is the union of all the betas, okay, for x belongs to G. Okay, because here since this B is a subset of this open set, we can write it as, this open set can be written as collection of all the subsets of G. Here B is a subset of G, so therefore this G is can be written as, it is the union of its subsets. Okay, so therefore we can write it as G is a union of B for each x belongs to G. Okay, and this B belongs to beta. So therefore we can write it as, the every open set is expressible as union of members of beta, because this B is a member of beta. Okay, now conversely, so in the second part we prove that suppose this every open set is expressible as union of members of beta, then we have to show that this beta is a base for T. Okay, let beta is a subfamily of T given in such a way that each open sets is expressible as union of members of beta. Okay, so this is our given quantity. By using this we have to show that this beta is a base for T. Next, now let G be an open set, then this G can be expressed as, then G is union of members of beta. Okay, now since G is expressed as union of members of beta, so therefore if X belongs to G, then G is being open set. Okay, then G being the union of members of beta, definitely there exists a set B in beta such that X belongs to B, which is a subset of G. Because G is a union of members, therefore there exists definitely a set which is subset of G in beta. Okay, so therefore, so hence this is similar to the definition of base, therefore we can write it as this beta is a base for T. Okay, hence the theorem. Next we have second theorem. Let beta be a common base for T1 and T2 on X, then show that T1 is equals to T2. So this is very simple. So here given that beta is a base for, that is common base for this both T1 and T2, where T1 and T2 are the topologies on X, then we have to show that this T1 is equals to T2. So for this we start with proof. Let G belongs to T1. So open set belongs to T1 and X be an arbitrary of G, then by definition of a base there exists B belongs to beta such that X belongs to B is a subset of G. So this is by definition of base. Okay, now since this beta is common for both T1 and T2, since beta is being, or beta being a base for T2 also, okay, by the definition we can write it as, or it follows that beta is a family of T2. Okay, because this beta is a base for T2 also, beta is a family of T2, that is beta is subset of T2. Okay, so beta is a family of T2 also, therefore we can say that this B also belongs to T2, because this beta is a common base for both T1 and T2, therefore we can say that B also belongs to T2. Okay, so therefore, and therefore G is T2 neighborhood. Okay, or you can say that neighborhood also open. Okay, neighborhood of X. Okay, now since X is an arbitrary, it follows that G is T2 neighborhood of all of its points. Okay, So therefore G is T2 open. So because it is a neighborhood of each of its points, therefore we can say that G is a open set. So therefore, as G belongs to, starting we have considered that G belongs to T1. Okay, so this G belongs to T1, but we have proved that G belongs to, so thus as G belongs to T1 implies that G also belongs to T2. Okay, so therefore T1 is subset of T2. Consider this as equation 1. So similarly, if I start with G belongs to T2, so proceeding in the same way, okay, we can prove that T2 is subset of T1. So similarly, in the same way, we can prove T2 is subset of T1. Consider this as equation 2. So therefore, from 1 and 2, T1 is equals to T2. Okay. Hence the proof.